Musk's vision fuses cutting-edge technology with Ram's rugged legacy, aiming to craft trucks that are powerful, sustainable, and adept at navigating diverse terrains. This evolution may redefine the very essence of trucks in contemporary society. Industry reactions to Musk's plans remain mixed. While some experts voice skepticism regarding the demand for advanced features over traditional toughness, others believe this approach could herald a significant breakthrough within the market. Moreover, Musk's ambitions might extend beyond electric trucks. He seeks to position Ram as a benchmark for sustainability and innovation in the automotive sector, potentially inspiring a broader wave of change across the industry. To achieve this, Musk intends to harness Tesla's state-of-the-art battery technology specifically tailored for Ram, promising extended range and performance that cater to heavy-duty requirements, such as towing. Additionally, Musk's focus on sustainability encompasses the use of recyclable materials and renewable energy in production, aiming to foster an ecosystem that minimizes waste and advocates for environmental responsibility. The integration of Tesla's full self-driving technology aspires to make Ram trucks the most intelligent vehicles on the road, featuring AI-powered terrain adaptation to optimize performance across various conditions. Furthermore, Musk's electric vision is transforming the truck market, compelling traditional brands to innovate or risk obsolescence. This divide among consumers mirrors the shifting expectations within the automotive industry. However, the integration of Tesla's direct-to-consumer model presents challenges for Ram's established dealership network, which plays a crucial role in fostering customer loyalty and support, particularly in rural areas. Infrastructure issues remain critical to the success of electric trucks, especially in rural regions where charging stations are significantly less accessible compared to traditional gas stations. In response, Musk plans to extend charging networks into rural areas, focusing on the development of faster charging technology and portable solar-powered stations that cater to off-road enthusiasts. Establishing this infrastructure will take time. To broaden the customer base, Musk is considering tiered pricing options for electric Ram trucks, featuring entry-level models with smaller batteries while reserving premium attributes for higher-end versions. Moreover, Musk aims to establish Ram as a global leader in electric trucks, targeting international markets, particularly Europe and Asia, where sustainability increasingly resonates with consumers. The integration of Tesla's advanced infotainment systems into Ram trucks is anticipated to enhance user experiences, providing over-the-air updates and improved navigation. These features align well with modern consumer expectations for connectivity. The pursuit of electric Ram trucks entails rigorous testing to ensure they meet the performance standards of traditional gasoline-powered counterparts, including their capability to handle heavy loads and navigate challenging terrains adeptly. Musk's acquisition of Ram has ignited a technological arms race, pressuring competitors such as Ford and General Motors to accelerate innovation. These legacy automakers face significant challenges in adapting to this new electric and autonomous landscape. Notably, regulatory challenges introduce major hurdles for Musk as he endeavors to validate the safety and reliability of autonomous Ram trucks, an essential factor for market acceptance, as regulatory bodies exercise caution regarding safety and accountability. Sustainability also remains a focal point for Musk, as he works on developing durable batteries and refining the production process to transform Ram's environmental impact. This initiative involves employing recycled materials and renewable energy. To retain Ram's loyal customer base, Musk plans to blend traditional truck design elements with modern technology, reassuring customers that the core values they cherish will remain intact. This strategy effectively targets both existing and prospective buyers.